All right, here's question 4 from the 2016 practice exam. And we have a function, and in this question it just says how many relative extrema does G have. So relative extrema, like maximum and minimum values, occur when the first derivative is equal to 0. So we're going to have to find the derivative here. Now we're just looking at how many, so we don't need the actual values where they occur, but we will still have to test it to make sure that they are in fact a relative maximum or minimum value. All right, so the equation, let's find g prime of x. We're going to use our power rule, and we're going to get 4x cubed plus 12x squared. Now we want that equal to 0. I'm going to do a little factoring. We can take out 4x squared and x plus 3. So right now it looks like we'd probably have two values. We don't need to know exactly what they are. It's just asking how many. So it looks like x equal to 0 and x equal to negative 3. But we do want to test to make sure they actually are extreme values. So we're going to do the first derivative test. I'm going to set up my number line. I want negative 3 and I want 0. This is g prime. This is what is happening at g. All right, so I'm going to test something over here. I'm going to test a very big number. Like I like going, let's say negative 10. That means this is going to be a negative value, and this will always be positive because we're squaring it. So we have a negative times a positive. That is a negative. Let me erase that. And that means that we are decreasing. We're going to test something in here. Let's go negative 1. Okay, up in this value here, this is going to be a positive now. This is always still a positive value, so we're going to get a positive. We are going up. So negative 3 actually is a relative minimum. Let's test over here. Again, let's go to positive 10. This is going to be just a bigger positive. This is always positive. So yeah, we see when we go from 0 to anything greater than 0, we get a positive value. That is still going up. 0 is not a maximum or a minimum. So we only have the one relative extreme value.